Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the liquid bleach cap in your LG washer, push down on the push tab and remove the detergent assembly. Lift up and pull back the liquid bleach cap from its tabs to release it from the assembly. To install the new liquid bleach cap, set the cap over the tabs in the assembly and snap it into place. Align the assembly and push in until it snaps into place. And your washer should be ready for use.